Huh? Whoa! Wow! Yeah.
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy.
Wow! Great! Fantastic! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah. Aha!
Always be nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy. Sharing is caring. Helping a friend feel so
Wow!
great. Here you are,
Woohoo!
my little when everyone
Fantastic!
is happy. It's so scary. I know. Oopsie, baby, you're having an emergency. Oopsie, what happened to me? Something wrong in my pants. Let's change your diaper, baby. And now you're fresh again. You know you can go and play,
Wow.
my friend.
Great!
Yeah!
Attack!
Whoa!
Hmm.
Cotton candy, it looks so tasty. I want to take a bite. My pretty doll will
Wow!
taste
Aha! Woohoo! Great!
I'm so scared, I'm so scared. I lost my mommy, I can't
Oh.
find her. I'm so scared, I'm
One,
so scared.
2, 3,
Where
go!
is my mama? Please help.
Wow!
Is this your mommy? I can see
1,
her.
2, 3, go!
Please stop. Whoa!
Healthy yummy snacks.
It's okay.
Yummy snacks.
Aha!
Help me carry them pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is fun.
Look what I got!
It can be so
Whoa!
hard.
So
Baby,
cool!
don't you worry.
Woohoo!
Elevator goes
Yeah.
Oh,
elevator goes up. Who is that I see
Red.
there?
Yellow! Green!
You should be careful in the elevator. Don't jump, stand still. It is not safe, baby. Elevator isn't for games and fun. Oh no, it's raining.
Whoa! Sunny! Rainy! Yeah! Aha!